Yeah, hi, this is Vince Curie. What I'm doing here is I'm making a spritz wine. Now this one's Chardonnay, and and this one is a mixture of Chardonnay with a little bit uh, red Chianti in it. And it takes about 6 pumps of the CO2. Now I'm gonna do both of them at the same time. You hold it down so you get a good squirt of salsa to the bottom. Then you let go. I do the second one. And you wait until the bubbles rise through it. You know, it's being absorbed in the liquid. The bubbles are being absorbed into the liquid. All right. Second pump, second pump. And you wait until this dissipates and this dissipates. And it becomes like a champagne. Now Chardonnay happens to be used for champagne. All right, that's the third. It's always better to cool the wine. Now, this bottle had about that much cool wine in it, about 40 degrees. This had about the same, of this sort of pinkish. All right, now this one, the bottles are the same. This is a higher end machine than this, but they both have the same way that the bottle goes in. It pushes up into it. And the same thing with this. Now, this one leaks a little bit. You can see a little bit leaking. This one seems to seal better. And a little bit's coming out of this one, so I guess I can't complain. All right, they got 4 each. But I tell you, when you pour it into a glass, it's very nice. Very nice. You can see a little of the gas coming out. Because they do bleed. See, it's all the bubbles. That's what's happening. All right, this will be the last pump. Now you see this. This is out of the liquid because it was supposed to be up to the line. Not sure if it'll still work now. Let's see. Yeah, okay. But this one, all right, I think that's all I'm going to do. That's what you look for. You look for the gases to be absorbed. All right. You pull this out. Okay. Pull this out. Okay. There you go. It's not really a mess. Nice. Nice and bubbly. All right. There you go. Sparkling. Vince Arcuri, and I thank you for watching.